It's gorgeous church. If you're like me and you're a person who likes to think with a pen in your hand, but also gets a bit frustrated that those paper notes don't link into your digital calendar. Those notes can't turn into actions that are linked to times when you're going to complete them. This powerful e-ink tablet could be the one for you, and this video is part of a sponsored series of videos where I'm going to show you how you can use the ViWoods AI Paper to manage your day, to organize your notes, and even to use AI to polish your writing. If there's anything else that you'd like me to show you how to do that on the ViWoods, then please let me know, and perhaps that could become a video later on in the series. Maybe you've tried a productivity app on your phone or on your PC. The problem with that often is that you are kind of thinking a little bit too early. You're thinking about the task whilst you're putting it into your calendar, rather than you're thinking about what the outcome should be and then put the action items from that into your calendar. This solves that problem. Paper is great for that messy thinking, but I want the tasks that I generate to live in a proper system. That messy note where I've laid out what I think I need to do today, I can turn that into a proper to-do item in my calendar. And when I've finished it, just have that rewarding moment of ticking it off and seeing it disappear or just get grayed out and put in the completed category. From my research, I can tell you that most people buy an e-ink tablet to get away from the chaos of just using paper for their planning. ViWoods have sponsored me to show you how you can plan out your day, your week, your month using their ViWoods AI Paper. It's all around this daily app, which is accessed here from the home screen, and where you can see at a glance your to-do list, your tasks, and logs of any activities you've done on the tablet on any given day. When you go into the full screen calendar view, which you can sync to either your Google Calendar or your Outlook calendar, that's when you get the full power of their daily app. I want to show you how to use some of the really key features. Firstly, you can create to-dos directly in the daily app, the big plus button here, and you can either type your to-do item or you can now handwrite your to-do item as well. You can create up to 3 to-do items at once and even indicate their level of urgency so that they're sorted by importance. And that's really cool, but my favorite use of to-dos on the tablet is actually when you've been working in your papers, which are basically your notebooks on the device. You can create to-do items directly from here. Just simply circle them, and you can see in the menu you've either got type to-do or handwritten to-do. The type to-do will go ahead and recognize that handwriting. And the handwritten to-do will just import it as it is onto that to-dos page. The daily app is versatile because you can view your appointments, your tasks, your to-dos across the month view, week view, and even daily view. And then once you've completed the to-dos, of course, you can just go ahead and tick them off. And they haven't disappeared, they've just gone grey and ticked down here. And then in my overview of my to-dos, you can see the ones that I've completed, or I can simply filter by finished or unfinished, with my star marked ones always going to the top. So let's see what I've got coming up. Oh yeah, I've got to celebrate my birthday. And whilst I'm in the daily app, I want to also show you logs. And logs are where you can see exactly what you've been doing on the tablet on that day. So let's say you knew there was a meeting that you had to find a note you were using or a document you were reading on the 4th of June. Then in logs there, you would see the learning that I was referencing, they're your PDFs basically, or the notes that you were making. Yeah, that's when I made this really lovely drawing of a plant. So that's how you can turn your messy planning into really neat and properly organized tasks, which can be managed through that calendar app. I think that you'll really like it if you're someone that likes to think on a bit of a messy notebook page, but wants to be able to put those action items directly into a calendar. From that first maybe messy overview of your day or your big idea or your project, you can quite quickly turn that into a well-organized and time-bound set of actions. So you see, what ViWoods have created here is a complete productivity system And that's something that if this was an ordinary Android or iPad, then that would be a paid app. Probably something you'd need to buy a subscription to and lock you in for life. But this is something that comes with the tablet, is included in that price, and is regularly updated by ViWoods. And this has just been one of their updates. It feels like a complete notes and productivity system, not just a notebook. Let me know what ViWoods workflows you'd like me to cover next.